Good morning, children. In the last class, you have learned how to add and subtract algebraic expressions. Now let us see how to multiply algebraic expressions. First, let us see how to multiply a monomial by a monomial. Multiplication of monomial by a monomial. I will show you one example. 3xy into 4x. The first step is to multiply the numerical coefficients. Which are the numerical coefficients here? 3 and 4. Now we will multiply 3 by 4. That is 3 4s are 12. The 12 we will write first. Now multiply variables. Same variable we will multiply first. That is x into x. X into x, it is x square. Now y is remaining there. Put that y. So the answer is 12x square y. What we have done? First we have multiplied the numerical coefficients. Then multiply the same variables. Here 3 4s are 12. X into x, it is x square. Then comes y. So the answer is 12x square y. See the next example. 2x cube y square z into 4x square y. First step is to multiply the numerical coefficients. 2 into 4, it is 8. Now multiply the same variable, that is x cube and x square. What is x cube into x square? If you are multiplying same variables, we will put the same variable. The variable will not change, but its power. Here the power is 3 and here the power is 2. We will add 3 and 2, that is 5. X cube into x square is equal to x raised to 5. We have done this using the law of exponents, that is a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. A raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So, x cube into x square is equal to x raised to 3 plus 2. That is x raised to 5. The next step is to multiply the next variable, that is y square and y. What is y square into y? Y means y raised to 1. So, y square into y raised to 1 is equal to y raised to 2 plus 1, that is 3, y cube. And the next variable, it is z. So, write that z at the end. So what we have done? We have multiplied 2 and 4. So we got 8 as answer. Then multiply x cube into x square, that is x raised to 5. After that y square into y, that is y cube. Then put z. So it is 8 into x raised to 5 y cube z. Answer is 8x raised to 5 y cube z. Now let us see how to multiply 3 or more monomials. If you want to multiply 2x into 4y into 7z, how will you multiply? We can multiply all the numerical coefficients first. That is 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 7, 56. That 56 we will write first. So 2x into 4y into 7z is equal to, first we will multiply the numerical coefficients, that is 2 into 4, 8, 8 into 7, 56. Then multiply the variables, x into y into z, it is x, y, z. So the final answer is 56 x, y, z. I will show you another example. Here also we multiply the numerical coefficients first, that is 4 into 5, it is 20. 20 into 6, it is 120. Into, next we will multiply all the same variable, that is x into x square into x cube. X means x raised to 1. X raised to 1 into x square into x cube. X raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Next y. Y raised to 1 into y square into y cube. Y raised to 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is 6. So the answer is 120 into x raised to 6 into y raised to 6. Now let us see how to multiply a monomial by a binomial. Multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. See one example. 3x into 5y plus 2. Here 3x is a monomial and 5y plus 2 is a binomial. So monomial is multiplied by a binomial. We can do this using distributive property. Do you remember distributive property? A into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Do you remember that property? Using the distributive property, we can multiply this monomial by binomial. Here, we will multiply 3x with 5y and 3x with 2. That is 3x into 5y plus 3x into 2. So, the answer is 3x into 5y plus 3x into 2. What is the answer? 3x into 5y. How will you multiply? You know how to multiply a monomial by a monomial. 3 5s are 15. So 15xy. 15xy plus 3x into 2. That is 3 into 2 6. Then 6x. So the answer is 15xy plus 6x. Another example, multiply 3pq into p minus q. Here also we will multiply 3pq with p first, then minus 3pq into q. Answer is 3p square q minus 3pq square. Next it is multiplying a monomial by a trinomial. Multiply 3p into 4p square plus 5p plus 7. So how will you multiply? 3p can be multiplied with 4p square, 5p and 7. Here 3p into 4p square, it is 3 into 4 12, p into p square p cube. So it is 12p cube. The symbol here it is plus. Next 3p into 5p. 3p into 5p means 3 5s are 15, then p into p square plus 3p into 7. That is 3 into 7 21, then 21p. So the answer is 12p cube plus 15p square plus 21p. Now let us see how to multiply a polynomial by another polynomial. We have discussed how to multiply a monomial by a polynomial. Next it is polynomial by a polynomial. First let us see how to multiply a binomial by another binomial. I'll show you one example. Multiply 3a plus 4b into 2a plus 3b. Here, first we will multiply the first term. Here 3a with both terms in the second bracket. After that, multiply 4b into 2a, then 4b into 3b. First what we will do, multiply the first term with each terms in the second bracket. Then multiply second term with each term in the second bracket. Now let us see what is 3a into 2a. 3a into 2a it is 6a square. Then here plus 3a into 3b it is 9ab plus 4b into 2a it is 8ab plus 4b into 3b it is 12b square. After opening the bracket, you got the answer as 6a square plus 9ab plus 8ab plus 12b square. Can you see any like terms here? 9ab and 8ab are like terms. So, we can combine this 9ab and 8ab. So, 9ab plus 8ab is equal to 17ab. So, the final answer becomes 6a square plus 17ab plus 12b square. 6a square plus 17ab plus 12b square. Next it is multiplying a binomial by a trinomial. Multiply a plus 7, that is a binomial, into a square plus 3a plus 5. It's a trinomial. So multiplication of a binomial by a trinomial. First we will multiply first term in the first bracket with each term in the second bracket. That is a into a square, it is a cube, plus a into 3a, it is 3a square, plus a into 5, it is 5a, plus 7 into a square, it is 7a square, plus 7 into 3a, it is 21a, plus 7 into 5, it is 35. Here a into a square, it is a cube, a into 3a, it is 3a square, plus a into 5, it is 5a. Now multiply that second bracket with second term in the first bracket. There is 7 into a square, 7a square, plus 7 into 3a, it is 21a, plus 7 into 5, it is 35. Now find out like terms there. For a cube, no like term. So write a cube as it is. 3a square plus 7a square are like terms. So it is 10a square, plus 5a plus 21a, it is 26a, plus 35. After opening the bracket, you got the answer as a cube plus 3a square plus 5a plus 7a square plus 21a plus 35. Now find out like terms here. 3a square and 7a square are like terms. 5a and 21a are like terms. And this a cube and 35 does not have any like terms there. So we will write it as a cube plus 3a square plus 7a square, it is 10a square, plus 5a plus 21, it is 26a, plus 35. So the answer is a cube plus 10a square plus 26a plus 35. Understood? Simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 by 2. First let us simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. After that we can give value as x equal to 3 and x equal to 1 by 2. Here 3x into 4x, it is 12x square, minus 3x into 5, it is 15x. Here we can see 1 plus 3. So the simplified form is 12x square minus 15x plus 3. Now substitute x equal to 3 in this expression. That is 12 into, instead of x we will write 3. 12 into 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. 12 into 3 square means 12 into 9. Minus 15 into 3, it is 45 plus 3. 12 into 9, it is 108 minus 45 plus 3. It is 108 plus 3, it is 111 minus 45, which is equal to 66. Now let us see what will be the value when x equal to 1 by 2. Here 12x square becomes 12 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. That is 12 into 1 by 2 square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, it is 1 by 4. Here this 4 and 12 will be cancelled. So 3 is the answer there. Minus 15 into 1 by 2 means it is 15 by 2 plus 3. 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. 3 and 3 can be added. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So it is 6 minus 15 by 2, which is equal to 6 into 2, 12. 12 minus 15 whole divided by 2, which is equal to minus 3 by 2.